Hello girls, hello guys. Okay, now we have our Rust running. Let me close some tabs here. And then we have this weird, to be polite UI here where we don't know what's happening with these users, right? Then I think we should improve this. I don't know if you are checking like this, but it's usually good to also check on mobile if your app is looking good or not. Our app is not looking good, but we are focusing on the features first. Okay, let's improve this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to just hide and show some parts here, but for this I need to get the user, right? Then to get the user, I can do a code like this, but I want this to be reactive. Like if the user changes on Meteor side, on MiniMongo, and I want to receive this data, then there is a special guy that's called useTracker that is pretty much magic, but it's not magic. You can, let me see, yeah. There is this great post from the guy that creates this React hook that integrates with Meteor Tracker. That's called Kevin Newman. And he explained a lot of details here, like why did it this way, what are the trade-offs, and all the details that you need to know. And he also provides some examples where you can use, how you can use, if you can create like a context around it or whatever. Then let's install this package. This is a Meteor package. Let's install this package. Oh, maybe you already have this package because I think I use the -- react when I create this project. Then this package is already there. And then we can just import it. Let's import it here and use tracker. Yeah, if you see the examples, you can just provide your function here. It's very similar, let's say, to useEffect, I would say. And we also have this dependency here for when the tracker should run again. Okay. I think when you want to run all the time, you don't need to provide anything. I'm not sure. Maybe I should check the docs. Let me see. Here's just explaining, but I know where it is. Like you have the React packages. And inside the React packages, we have a package that's called React Meteor Data. And then let's see if we have a doc here. Okay, the depths optional, then I don't need to provide. Blah, 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 blah. If you omitted, the track computation will be recreated on every render. Okay. If provide, okay. For now, it's fine to create all the time. Let's see if this works. Then I just need to provide a function where I'm going to get my user. In this case, I have this utility function from Meteor. Then I just need to import Meteor to be clear where this is coming from. And I have my user here. I don't need to do this because I'm not providing other fields. Then I'm just going to get directly what Meteor is producing here. And what I'm going to do is like, if I have, these two I don't want to show, like I'm just going to wrap this and I'm going to use a fragment here. And then I can do like this. If I have a user, the opposite, right? If I don't have a user, I want to show this. Remember, I'm using Prettier, then I have the shortcut here to key map, and I have like the shortcut to format with Prettier, reformat with Prettier. Then that was why my code was ugly, and I just press some key here and it worked. Okay, now it's fine. Then let's see if this is working. And if I am authenticated, we should not see these elements in the UI. Okay, let's sign in. I'm not sure if this is working. Let's see if the user is here. Meet your user. No, I don't have a user. Maybe the sign in is failing. I don't remember if I'm handling like the sign in failure. Sign up, sign in. Let's see. I don't remember what I did in the last video. Let's check the database. I'm not sure if this is working or not. I don't want to connect to this database. Let me connect to my local database. So I can check. Maybe my password is wrong. I don't remember the password that I use. I can just clean up this collection. Okay, then this should work. Let's see. Yeah, the user is here, but I don't know what's my password. Let's see if it's authenticating. No, it's not authenticating. Let me check my logs. I don't remember if I put some logs here. Sign in. Yeah, if I have an error, I would have a log. But let's put this back just to be sure. Because this should be failing, right? Because I don't see it. I don't see the user. I don't know why its input element should have autocomplete attribute. Okay. Signing. What is going on? I think this was working the last video. Maybe this, what is this question mark? Login with password. Yeah, it's not going to the success. Something is happening here. Something is happening here. Submit. Let's see if the submit function is being called. Yeah, the submit function is being called. Okay, that's good. Then why this is not showing any error, but it's not working? Let me try to create a new user and put a password that I know. Create my user. Let's see if this user was really created. Yes. Then let's try to sign in. That's not possible. I must be doing something very stupid. But can you see? I don't see my feedback here. Like I don't see that it's producing an error or it's passing. Like I don't see any logs here. I really have no idea what is going on. What is going on? That's very weird. The only change that I did here was this. Let's remove this and see what happens. I think it was working the last video. What am I missing here? What happens if I just call meter.login with password here? I provide pmqb meter.user. Yeah, it's working when I do outside. Let's see if this still works now that I have the user there. There is something with my farm, but I don't get it because it was working. Yeah, now I think it's working, but let's try in the farm again. Then if I have the user, I'm going to show the username. I never did a whole video just like recording, and it's really funny because a lot of problems never happen, but when you are recording, yeah, they happen. Okay, let's see if I can see the email. Oh, it's not like this, right? It's inside address and whatever. Yeah, emails, address. emails address. Usually I change from this location to email when I create the user. But I also have the username. Let's use the username here for now. Later we are going to add name and other information. Maybe you are going to connect with GitHub, I'm not sure. Yeah, we have the username here, it's working. Let's add a logout button, and then we can check if the authentication is working. Okay, button on click. Oops. Meteor logout. Do you know if this is wrong, right? Like you need to create a function that will be called later. You don't want to call the function when you are declaring the component. I never tried this with Meteor logout, but it should work because I'm just providing the function that should be called. Let's see what happens. Logout. Can you see when I save? Pretty is formatting my code. That's good. Logout. Yeah, the logout's working. Accepting in delivering results of logout. Type error, callback's not a function. Okay, we should provide I didn't remember that callback was required, but you can provide a callback if you want. Okay. But let's see now if this signing is working. Yeah, the signing is not working. Maybe because I have two forms. Because usually I don't have two forms. Let me see. Oh, I don't have prevent default. Oh, I thought I had it. Like I don't have prevent default, so my form is being submitted using default HTML, and maybe that's breaking the form before it's really submitted with Meteor. Or it's not really running everything that it should run. Maybe that's the issue. Let's see. That was the issue. Okay. I did another video for my channel in Portuguese where we are creating another app that's called Limeno. And there, I believe I put this. Then I was confused, but anyway, now it's when the actual form submit from HTML was running, it was probably running before my action was complete. That's why I never saw the actual code running, but I think now it's okay. But we need to decide here. As I said, I'm always trying to make these decisions recording. Then I don't have a lot of ideas already when I join to record the video. Then I think we need to have a specific page for this, right? Then in the next video, I think we are going to start to use React Router so we can show data based on the route. Because right now, I believe we are adding everything in the app. Right? Yes, everything is here. We don't have a lot of things, but everything is here. Then you should just have a route. Then you can go to a specific page and you are going to use React Router. See you in the next video.